What's going on, mother truckers? Just released hours ago, Ottawa Mayor declares state of emergency. Basically, the Ottawa Mayor, Jim Watson, just said moments ago that he's declaring a state of emergency to help deal with the unprecedented 10-day occupation by protesting truckers that have shut down much of the core of the Canadian capital. Right. And so they're saying that basically truck drivers are reflecting the serious dangers and threats to the safety and security of residents posed by the ongoing demonstration, and highlights the need for support from the jurisdiction and levels of government. And this is what he put in a statement. Here's video clips of raw footage of what the truck drivers are actually doing, and they are actually being extremely peaceful. And in this statement, the mayor said that if any residents help the truck drivers with food, supplies, fuel, they will be arrested. So just know that that's coming out right now. They just declared it. Mother truckers, comment down below. Canadian truck drivers, people in Ottawa now, comment down below. Let me know what's going on and what people are feeling.
Confederation Park, and I'd like to thank the City of Ottawa for their patience for us. We're leaving and we give you back your park. We're going to make it clean like it used to be, and we're really sorry. It wasn't supposed to be like that. We're victims of the generosity of the population of Ottawa. Population of Ottawa, I'd like to thank you so much. We received over 25,000 tons of food and clothing and all of that, and what's left today, we're going to give it back to the Shepherd of Hope, the mission and all of that, because it's from you, the people of Ottawa, so we give it back to your people in Ottawa. We're going to clean up. We're going to move the operation on Coventry Road to make sure to still be there for the truckers in emergency use. Stop bringing fuel and all of that. We are organized really well. We thank people for their generosity. We're really sorry, but it was the generosity that created that. And come back to your park. It's going to be clean and open today. Thank you.